I'm going to be talking about some new products that I have found on the market. It's really a great time to be going vegan or plant-based because there are new products popping up all the time. It's great, but it also makes it hard to keep up with them all and to try them all. Usually I rely on friends to give me advice and tell me about, ooh, did you try that thing? Did you try that new this? Did you try that new that? How did you like it? But if you're a new vegan, you might not have that friend telling you if something was good or not. So I hope that I can be helpful in this way. So whenever I find something new that I haven't tried before, I'm going to bring it here and try it for you. Sometimes it's a new product. Sometimes it's just going to be something that I have not tried before. But I'm going to try them live here for you so that I give you a genuine response. I'm a little scared about it because I can't imagine that I'm going to like everything that I taste, but I'm going to go for it. Alright, so I'm going to try these Violife slices first. Alright, that's the smoked provolone and the mature cheddar slices. So let's just go ahead and open them. It's really cute actually because the little packaging has real string, so that's cute. And it comes in a resealable little package. Just challenging. There we go. Alright, cheddar slices. This is scary. Okay, so just smelling it, it reminds me of Chow cheese, whatever their original is, which is a good sign. I like that. It's kind of like Chow, but then it has a little something on its own. So that's a good one. I like that. All right, the second one is the smoked provolone slices. And it says they're free from dairy, soy, gluten, lactose, nuts, preservatives. So if you're a person that can't do the nuts or the soy, then this is an option for you. That's good too. Oh my gosh. I have a new cheese to add to line up. So these would go, I would say, in my cheese slice, acceptable cheese slices. I like them both. They're mild. That's kind of the problem sometimes with the vegan cheeses is they're so pungent. So you kind of, I think erring on the mild side is best because then you can just always, it's a layer. It's an ingredient. It is a flavor to whatever you're baking. So I'm going to give both a thumbs up. I like it, Violife. I've been hearing a lot about this and I think, it's probably super easy to just make and that's probably where I'll go if I like this, but it's a dessert hummus. So, let's see. Chickpeas, sugar, sunflower oil, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, sea salt. It's just like hummus, but with chocolate and making it sweet. So I could see how I might like it, but we'll see. Sometimes these things are hard. I'm just going to do that because that's easier. All right. Okay, so it smells good. It smells like chocolate pudding or like some fudgy sauce or something. Enjoy with fruit, pretzels, and crackers. I just brought a pretzel to try it out. All right, nice and thick. Oh, goodness. Well, that's delightful. I mean, there is nothing not to like about that. It's like eating brownie batter. It's like eating brownie batter except for the fact that it has protein in it. Oh my gosh. Okay. 80 calories for 2 tablespoons, 4.5 grams of fat, and 1 gram of protein. Alright, so the protein really it's not that huge. Just tell yourself, it has protein. I like it. The last one that I want to try is these Crunchsters. It says Vegan Beyond Bacon, sprouted protein snack. I got them because I like smoky things, bacony, faux bacony flavored smoky stuff. So I thought, okay, well let me try these. I'm not quite sure what I would do with them, if these would just be like a snack I would eat by the handful or if I would put on a salad, but that's what I'm gonna do for you right now. Okay, it smells good. Little crunchy like corn and stuff, so let's see what exactly. organic sprouted mung beans, high oleic sunflower oil, organic maple sugar, smoked sea salt. They're mung beans. We got mung beans. We got flavored mung beans, toasted crispy mung beans. It's good. I like it. I don't know that I would sit and eat it just like a snack because it wouldn't be enough. I don't know. I would just get tired of it. I think I might use it maybe on salads. Maybe in like if you did any kind of like nut mixes, like a trail mix type of thing. This would be a fun one to add in there. I say bacon, I mean, it's a smoky, salty, sweet taste. I could call them barbecue. So if you like that flavor, like I do, this was good. Again, I don't know that I would just buy it and like eat it like that, but it was yummy. So this was a successful day. I like those. Geolife will definitely, I don't know if it'll replace my chow, but maybe it'll make a rotation, make its way in the rotation. I'll have to practice more with it and see if it has some qualities of its own. Now, this is the superstar. This is boar's head, but this is just because this is what I found. It's really simple, so I am sure that these are not the only people that can figure this out. So if you see dessert hummus recipes, give them a try. This one was jamming. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with any new vegans you know. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on a thing. Thanks for watching.